Hi, this is Steve Derrick with Boone Associates Realty. We're in Piedmont, South Carolina, just outside of Greenville. Property is 20 St. Alban School Road, Piedmont 29673. Just listed 2.1 acres of beautiful land, hardwood trees, a small house on it. As Joe is taking the pictures of how nice it looks. 10 minutes to Simpsonville, 25 minutes to downtown Greenville. Call me, 864-918-2443. 864-918-2443.
There's Steve Derrick. He's the official listing agent. Say hey, Steve.
Hey, Mr. Joe,
Why don't you
everybody listening.
Tell the world a little bit about this place.
Well, I don't know what Joe has told you already, but we're on 2.5 acres. I'm sorry, 2.1 acres. And we're in about 10 minutes from Simpsonville, South Carolina, and 30 minutes from Greenville, South Carolina. And it has a house on the property. As you can see, the house is not in the best of condition. But we're marketing it as you're buying the land and the house is free.
Pretty much.
And as you can see, the property is beautiful. It's been cleared. The underbrush in the summertime and spring when the trees bloom, it'll be awesome. It will be beautiful. It's a nice main road up here, just a few feet away. It heads you back toward Greenville. This comes with a storage shed. Is going to be on the property that you can move or keep. Great school district here. One of the best in the area.
And tell them about the water, Steve.
And the water.
Yep, we've got a main service line at the road.
Oh, yes, we have water available from the city.
You can tap into that, right?
You can tap into it.
Okay.
Yep. The house is basically not livable, but it can be renovated if you want it to be. It's about 1,400 square feet, 2 bedrooms and a bath.
Okay.
It was built probably in the 40s or 50s.
Okay.
Yeah, and so you could make it a home if you wanted to. There is going to be a deed restriction on the lot, which means that you can't put
mobile
homes on it. You can't do multi-housing family on it.
How about commercial?
You can't put
no commercial
on it.
Okay.
It is zoned single family residential. The people that own this property live nearby, and they don't want it to be developed into multifamily or commercial.
Okay.
So that's great for you. We're protecting you when you buy your land.
Absolutely.
It will not be. It will not go under multifamily housing or commercial.
So it's 2.1 acres down at Piedmont, 20 St. Albans Road, and Steve is the official listing agent. How can they reach you, Steve?
Call me at 864-918-2443.
What's your email?
And my email is S as in Sam, D as in David, E as in Edward, R as in Robert, 10, the number's 10 at AOL.com.
All right.
And yes, I have AOL for the last 30 years. I do have Gmail. I just old school and haven't changed it.
That's
so
okay.
It still works. So contact me however, and I will be more than happy to help you in any other way.
All right. Well, thanks, Steve.
You're welcome.